everybody, welcome back. As you've seen, we got our temporary workbench all set up, and we did decide to go ahead and put it up against the wall. I just don't need that much workspace right now, and I feel like it just fits in here a little bit better that way. Even though it is a little larger than what I would probably want my miter saw stand to be, but it's doubling as my workbench and possibly an outfeed table for the table saw. But anyway, since we've got it done, now we can put our miter saw together. Now that we have a place to put it. So we're going to dive in here and see what we got. This is the Kobalt 10-inch sliding dual beveled miter saw. We're going to take a look. I'm going to pop the box open and see how much it's going to take to put it together. Maybe it's all together. We'll just have a look at it. But if it's going to take some doing, then we'll put a camera in hyperlapse and you can watch me do it that way. Now we got the instruction manual right here. Tape to the lid. Your little dust port bag. I've got a shop vac, but the connector on it is 1 3/4 inches, and most of these seem to be about 2.5 inches. So I'm gonna have to get an adapter for that. And it is all together right here inside the box. So we're just gonna give her a grab here. And, wrangle it out. Okay, I don't see anything else in the bottom of the box, so I'll bring you over here so you can have a look at it with me. Okay, now that we got that figured out, when you open it out of the box, it'll be locked down like this. And you just simply pull this knob back here to bring it back up. And it's going to stay like that until you re-engage that pin. And you can use it like that, like you would a compound saw. And then release. And then you've got your knob over here that if you don't want to be able to pull it back and push it forward, you can lock it in at a certain place or lock it all the way to the rear so it doesn't move. We'll go ahead and attach this. They include this clamp. I don't know how handy it will be, but you have 2 anchor points on each side behind the fence to attach it to. And you just put it in there, and it seems fairly sturdy. Although it might be a pain to use. We went ahead and put the dust collection bag on. It just sticks right in there, and it zips and unzips on the bottom to empty it. And then you have your little outfeed tables that extend like that as well. So we're going to be using it like this for the time being until I build a miter saw table for it. And then you have your beveling lock, and when it's in single bevel, you can only go in one direction. You can switch that over to dual bevel and go both directions. And then this right here, this handle here, this black handle, you can pull up on that to change your mitering position. And it locks in certain increments. There's your 45, 60 degrees, 31.6, 22.5, and 0. And you can do that in both directions as well. You've got mounting points so you can bolt it down. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that yet or not. And then you have your laser up here, which can be adjusted just by turning these knobs. You don't even have to have a tool to do that. There's probably a few other features on here I haven't gotten into yet. You have this onboard just Allen key that has looks like a number 2 Phillips head at the end of it as well for adjusting your blade. But we're going to be using this pretty soon, so stay tuned in other videos for more of a review. This is more of just an unboxing and overview. Down and then in. And that gave us a nice glass smooth cut. And I don't... Okay. So right there, I don't know if you can see that, our laser is dead on. Right there. Can you see it?
I can't even see it. You can't see it in the camera.
Okay. The laser looks just slightly off up front. Okay, let's see how that is. I kind of played with it a little bit, so right there. Okay, that cut straight down my line, and we're still getting just a smooth cut right there. So that was fairly easy to adjust, and it seems to cut dead on. All right, well that's it for the unboxing and overview of the Kobalt 10-inch miter saw. Nothing overly complicated here. It came right out of the box, all put together, and once I figured out how to get it all unlocked, it all made sense. So we're going to put this thing to work on our first project, which will be coming within the next week, so keep an eye out for that. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down in the the comment section, or follow me on over to Facebook and chat with me there. Well, that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching, and have a good evening.